Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Repair. In today's video, we're tackling trouble code P0114, what it means, what causes it, and how to fix it. Let's get started. P0114 is a generic OBD2 trouble code related to the intake air temperature sensor, also known as the IAT sensor. Specifically, it means the ECU detected intermittent or erratic voltage coming from the IAT sensor circuit. Here are some common causes and fix of P0114. Number 1. Loose or corroded connector to the IAT sensor. If the electrical connector to the IAT sensor is not firmly attached or has corroded terminals, the signal can cut in and out, causing intermittent readings. Disconnect the sensor, check for corrosion, dirt, or looseness. Clean with electrical contact cleaner and securely reconnect. Number 2. Faulty IAT sensor. Over time, the IAT sensor can degrade or fail due to heat and contamination, leading to erratic temperature signals being sent to the ECU. Use a multimeter to check resistance across the sensor terminals. If readings are out of spec or fluctuate erratically, replace the sensor. Number 3. Damaged wiring in the circuit. Worn, frayed, or damaged wiring or insulation in the sensor circuit can cause intermittent connections or shorts, especially if wires are rubbing against engine components. Visually check the wiring harness for any signs of damage, fraying, or exposure. Repair or replace as necessary. Ensure proper insulation and routing to prevent future damage. Number 4. ECU, engine control unit issues. Though rare, the ECU might malfunction or misinterpret sensor data if it has internal faults or poor connections. Ensure the ECU is properly grounded and connectors are secure. If all else fails and intermittent issues continue, a professional diagnostic may be required to test ECU functionality. Code P0114 typically stems from a minor issue, like a loose connector or bad sensor, but should not be ignored. Ignoring it can lead to poor fuel economy, increased emissions, and even drivability issues. Prompt inspection and repair will keep your engine running efficiently and avoid further damage. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.